Alright guys, so I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese, but the difference with this one is going to be smoked on the smoker. So that's where we're gonna cook it at. So we have the cooked pasta al dente. I didn't record how to cook that. I think it's self-explanatory. So we have that. We have 1 egg. We have it beat up. We have 1 cup of Monterey Jack and Colby Jack cheese shredded. We have 1 cup of mild cheddar shredded, and we have 16 ounces of Velvetta cheese cubed up. And here we have 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right, so we're just gonna spread our pan out. Spread out a little bit. Don't want this sticking on everything. And then what we'll do is, so your this right here is not so much a portion. It's based off of your personal preference. You just want to have some kind of seasoning to it. So I'll say start off with about a tablespoon of pepper, black pepper. But I usually eye this portion of my recipe because everybody's different, and what I like, you might not like. So salt in there, and some paprika. I always say it doesn't have a flavor, it don't have a taste, it's there for coloring, but some people say it tastes like something. I don't know, but mix that in there real well. Some nice coloring to it. Put a little bit more pepper in here. All right. So once that's ready, you add your egg to it. Mix it again. Mix it up really nice. Now you want to add your cheeses. Just the shredded cheeses. You don't add the cube cheese yet. Get that mixed up well in there, like so. Alright, so here we have 1 pound of macaroni noodles, the elbow noodles. Put that in here. Take your mixture here and you're gonna just pour this over like so. Get that in there nice and good. Stir this up like so, mix it up nice. And then add the rest of your cheeses to it. Get it nice and mixed up. Try to make it as even as possible. And then this is ready to be cooked. All right, it's time to put the mac and cheese on. So as you see, it's smoking really nice. Smoke stick still going. Have this set for 350, just like an oven. We're gonna take it, put it in here, and come back and check on it in about 10-15 minutes to see how much it's starting to melt together. Alright, the mac and cheese is cooking nicely, still smoking, and I just made some chopped up red potatoes, some broccoli, and some cauliflower. I drizzled it with some olive oil, some seasoning, and put a little bit of butter on it and put it in here. I didn't record that because I was getting hungry, but here's what that is. 25 minutes. We're gonna take it out and stir it up a bit. Ooh, creamy. Make sure you scrape the bottom. You don't want the cheese to settle to sit there at the bottom. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. If I was making this video, I'll probably dive right in right now. Alright, go back in here a little longer. Alright, so mac and cheese is about ready, so take a look and see. I think it's ready. Yeah, look at that. Look good. Ooh, look at that. That's gonna be creamy. Well, take it in. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna make a plate and get to eat. Making that for Thanksgiving. Well, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Brandon Cooks It All. See you on the next one.